rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary K.
Hey everyone, this is Gary K, and welcome to another pre-ISE edition of my Rants and Raves videocast. I'm excited to be joined today with Cristiano Fumagalli. And Cristiano, as you know, is the co-founder and vice president of Global Strategic Alliances for Mago, M-A-G-O. And they are exhibiting in multiple places at the show. Among other places, they're going to be in the Jupiter stand, which is 3N700, in the FunTech booth in 5G 200 and a couple other places as well. And I want to welcome you to today's video cast, where we're actually going to talk to Cristiano and also get a demo of the platform. So Cristiano, thanks for joining me.
Hey Gary, glad to see you. So I'm in my office in Milano. So we are super excited this year because we have a very, very wide offering of new products and also new feature and new Mago apps. So Gary, first stop, I strongly suggest a Jupiter Boot, where you see the new big giant 105-inch third generation equipped with flat frog, so smooth experience guaranteed with Mago collaboration board. Next stop, it's at the Huawei Boot. We have the Hub S2 with OPS and Mago collaboration board running on it. We showcase the dry erase board capture feature into the digital world without the camera base. So thanks to our apps, we have a very powerful feature to show you. Look for this cool feature. So we capture any object from the real world in an easy way. So just shoot this button, moving around, and then boom. And when you finish, you have this result. Or what you can see also with mixed reality and 3D scan built in. Then next stop is on FunTech technology. So you will see this guy. So this is a Inex Cube AI camera, 360 degrees, single cable, no power needed. So it's an amazing device paired with Mago. So we launched a product called Mago Room Essential that you see here. It's a small IoT device we built in our software, and you can experience the visual collaboration and screen presentation from any MTR. In this case, we have a Jabra Panacast VPS as Android base, and then when you hit share button, you can encapsulate all the cool feature that we have even in this legacy MTR Zoom Room or WebEx Room kit. Big news are there. Jump to the booth of Jupiter, Huawei, FunTech, and Jabra to see the next generation of visual collaboration and presentation system.
rAVe Radio. With rAVe